It's time to go beyond your limit with Apple's latest smartwatch Series 8. It has all the things you love about Apple Watch, and you will get even more this time. Unfortunately, Apple did not introduce the flat screen for the regular watch series instead. It's exclusive to the rugged Apple Watch only. Yes, Apple has stuck with the tradition and done the same design as the Series 7. So if there's no change in the design, then what exactly will the Apple Watch Series 8 come with? Let's find it out by putting it with its older brother Apple Watch Series 7 in the same ring. As we said earlier, there aren't a lot of changes in the design. Both Apple Watch Series 8 and 7 look like twins, but the Series 8 is an improved version of its predecessor. Both have an always-on Retina LTPO OLED display with up to 1000 nits of brightness, which makes stunning details easy to read for every user even under the brightest sunlight. In terms of durability, both watches are swim-proof, dust-proof, and crack-resistant. Anyway, there is nothing more to tell about the design parts, so let's just move on to the health and fitness feature. Apple Watch Series 8 has everything that you love in Series 7. Both have a blood oxygen sensor, electrical hot sensor, and third-generation optical hot sensor to give insults to help understand your health better. The more concerned you are about your health, the more powerful you can become. And for that, both watches feature high and low heart rate notifications, irregular rhythm notifications, and ECG. Also, both watches can track various kinds of activity with reliable accuracy. Anyway, there is something new in the Apple Watch Series 8, which is the temperature sensor, and it can take women's health tracking even further. It has a unique two-sensor design. One sensor is located on the back crystal, which is near your skin, and another one is just under the display. Apple claims that this new feature can check your temperature every 5 seconds, and it can detect changes as small as 0.1 degrees Celsius. Anyway, nighttime is the best time to track your body temperature because while you sleep, your blood flow increases to your limbs, so you can get more insights into your ovulation cycle. The Apple Watch Series 8 also includes crash detection. From fall detection to crash detection, nice innovation, Apple. Anyways, it will use two new motion sensor to detect your severe car crash. When a crash is detected, crash detection can automatically connect you with emergency services to get you instant help. Furthermore, crashes can be detected by other sensors in Series 8, including GPS, microphones, and barometer, to let you know the crash detection will only run while you're driving. As for the battery life, both Apple Watch Series 8 and 7 offer up to 18 hours of runtime, which isn't that much if you compare to Samsung's latest Galaxy Watch 5. But there is good news with watchOS 9. There will be a low power mode that can extend the battery life up to 36 hours. However, you won't be able to run all the features while the Series 8 is in low power mode. Let's talk about the price. The good news is, even with all the extra features and benefits, the Apple Watch Series 8 costs somewhat similar to its previous model. Yes, both watches start from $399, so at the same price with some new features, going for the Series 8 might just be a better idea. In short, the Apple Watch Series 8 has an identical design just like the Series 7. Most importantly, they come up with almost similar health and fitness features as well. What makes the Series 8 stand out is its temperature sensor and crash detection features. So what do you think? Is the Apple Watch Series 8 worthy enough to pay $399? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comments section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.